An active weather day across western Washington. This is new video from WashDOT of snow falling on I-5. This all happened near Northeast 130th Street. We are seeing it off to the east as well. These are new photos near Cougar Mountain. It's been just such a beautiful wintry day and rainy day, but at some point downtown Seattle saw snow too. So let's bring in meteorologist Leah Pezzetti to talk more about the timing, walk us through the system moving in, and when are we going to see a break?
Yeah, so actually the break is coming. We're very much at the end of this, but yeah, we saw some big fluffy flakes in Seattle. Nothing really sticking though for the lowlands, but we definitely are seeing that snow up in the mountains right now. And this is a really interesting look at this system. This is a loop of the last 6 hours that I put together for you, and you can really see how it just pulls in. So the low pressure system is counterclockwise, and we can really see that movement there. So this is a really great system to look at from a scientific perspective. But hey, rain and snow, that's what everybody's feeling. Right now, we're seeing that snow line right around Snoqualmie, Gold Bar as well. So it's looking like rain for the lowlands and snow up in the mountains. It's a pretty typical winter system for us. Bellingham seeing some moderate rainfall right now. Taking a look over down to the south, seeing some moderate rainfall as well as we head toward the coast. And that's going to continue for another couple of hours. We do have a winter weather advisory in place above 2,500 feet. This continues until 4 a.m. tomorrow. An additional 3 to 6 inches and maybe even a little bit more than that for those higher elevations are possible as we head into our overnight hours. So tonight is going to be a tricky day for pass travel. We also have gusty winds accompanying this system. A wind advisory is in place for just a couple more hours until 7 p.m. tonight for everywhere in these tan areas. So over along the coast as well, gusts up to 55 miles per hour are possible there. Let's take a look at some rain totals so far. So we can see some pretty okay rain totals around Puget Sound, a couple tenths. It's looking like about a quarter of an inch around Shelton. So not too strong on the rain, but we are feeling that widespread light rain right now, and that will continue into the next few hours. So we can see this is the system hitting us right now. In the next couple of hours, overnight tonight, it's going to start to pull apart. But then we have another system that's heading our way into tomorrow evening. This one is not as strong. It doesn't have that circulation that I showed you with this first one. So with this second one, as it approaches us, it really falls apart. It's going to fizzle out. So light rain is possible into Monday morning, but really not looking as widespread as what we're feeling right now. So taking a closer look at western Washington into this evening, spotty showers are still possible with that mountain snow for the next few hours. Then as we progress into tomorrow morning, could see a couple more raindrops, but really most of it will have dried out by then. Then by the afternoon, look at that. We see some clearing. We could even see some sunshine. It'll be a really nice day, partly sunny skies as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Then there's that second system heading our way into early Monday morning. But by the time it really makes landfall, it's going to fizzle out. It'll dry out. Spotty showers are possible around Puget Sound in those early Monday morning hours, but not looking like anything major at this point. Temperatures a little bit cooler, still pretty mild. We're going to see low to mid 40s into tomorrow. So temperatures, actually, this was a huge reason we saw that snow falling today, but not sticking, as I said. So we actually were hovering just above freezing earlier today in the Seattle area. So that is what helped to make those lovely, fluffy snowflakes today. So for the next 12 hours for Seattle, we will still see rain chances, but it will be drying out as we head into our early morning hours for tomorrow. Temperatures dropping down into the 30s tonight. Everett, same thing, mid to upper 30s overnight tonight. And then through tomorrow, mostly dry, cloudy morning. Could see some fog in the morning as well, but then some partly sunny skies by the afternoon. Same thing in Tacoma. Clouds to start the day, a little bit of sunshine peeking out by the end with temperatures in the low 40s. And taking a look at the next 7 days, it's quiet. We're going to see a ridge of high pressure setting up. A couple systems are going to try to brush by, bringing us the slightest chance for some light rain, really most days this week, but it's not looking major at this point. So the big story is we will be dominated by cloudy but some sunshine skies for the next week. It'll be really nice.
And turning now to your first alert forecast tonight, it's been quite a wet one. We are looking at some snow on Capitol Hill this afternoon. A lot of people were blinking and looking really closely. Is that snow I see?
Yeah.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was.
But wasn't sticking, not a problem.
Yeah, those big fluffy flakes falling, but not necessarily sticking in the city. But hey, it was kind of fun. That's my kind of snow.
Yeah.
Not getting in the way, but we get to look at it.
Still pretty.
See the big fluffy flakes. Yeah, it was pretty nice out there. That was all thanks to a system that moved on through Western Washington today. And really the worst of it is over. However, it is still impacting parts of Western Washington and will continue to help bring us some snow and maybe a little bit more rain to the region into our overnight hours. So we can see as we take a look at our satellite and radar, there's that system moving on through and taking a closer look at what we're feeling right now. So we can see some snow over Snoqualmie Pass, some light rain sticking around as we head closer to the coast, and that is going to continue into our overnight hours. We do have the possibility for a little bit more rain and snow. So we do have this winter weather advisory in place that we continue to track as we head into the next couple of hours. Could pick up a few more inches of snow over the passes. So it will still be sticky for the passes for the next couple of hours, but into tomorrow, hey, if you're a snowboarder, skier, that'll be nice. You'll get to have some fresh snow, but not too much more accumulations for tomorrow. So this winter weather advisory for those purple areas does continue until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. So taking a closer look at Western Washington, we can see into this evening, a little bit more snow falling, maybe some spotty showers around Puget Sound. Same thing into early tomorrow morning, the lingering remnants of this storm, but the worst of it is over. By tomorrow evening, 5 p.m., we actually could see some sunshine. It'll be a really pleasant day, mostly dry for tomorrow for most of us. But then by tomorrow night, right around midnight, we're going to see another disturbance head our way. It does look to arrive early Monday morning, 5 a.m., but it's going to fizzle out as soon as it hits ground. So really not too much as far as impacts are concerned. However, simultaneous with the arrival of this next storm, temperatures are going to be dropping down to around freezing. So we actually could see a couple more fluffy snowflakes tomorrow night into early Monday morning. However, impacts should remain pretty minimal. So for the next couple of hours, spotty light showers are possible, but then by the time tomorrow morning rolls around, it'll be pretty mild. Temperatures dropping down into the 30s for tonight. Daytime highs for tomorrow in the low to mid 40s, pretty mild over toward the mountains, just above freezing for our daytime highs. For Everett for tomorrow, waking up to a little bit of cloud coverage, the sun peeking out by the afternoon, getting up into those low 40s. Tacoma, same thing, a little bit of morning fog possible, and then those low 40s by the afternoon with a little bit of sunshine as well. And as we look at the next 7 days, honestly, it's really quiet. It's pretty mild. Temperature is going to warm up ever so slightly back to those mid to upper 40s. By the end of the week, we have a couple week disturbances trying to bring us some rain, but overall, it's going to be a really mild week.